All right, welcome back, traders. John Caruso here with your trader tip of the day. We're going to put the Fed under the microscope a little bit here. Obviously, we know we have a very hawkish Fed at the present moment. We recently heard from James Bullard, who is traditionally the most hawkish member of the Fed, now throwing the idea of a 75 basis point increase out there by the Fed at the May 3rd meeting. 50 basis points still remains the highest odds. We are going to hear from Jerome Powell over the next few days. So we're going to get a better idea of what he is thinking in terms of the May 3rd meeting. Bullard also did mention that 3.5% on the Fed funds is likely by the end of the year. Right now, the market has approximately 2.5% priced in the Fed funds futures going out to December. So whether or not the Fed can achieve all of these interest rate hikes without breaking something in the economy remains to be seen. But they are telling you what they're trying to do in an attempt to combat inflation. We just saw the 8.5% CPI number last week. In order to combat inflation, they need to create a negative wealth effect. And if you're a stock investor, commodity investor, or a real estate investor, you have to understand and pay very close attention to what the Fed is telling you right now. If you take a look at the real estate markets, we've seen the 30-year mortgage rate go from the low threes back in February to 5.5% here today. Okay, so we've seen a more than 200 basis point increase in the 30-year mortgage rate. That's certainly going to create some static and some resistance in the housing market going forward. We've recently seen some of the builder confidence numbers, which have declined for the fourth straight month. So that's the beginning. That's the beginning of a trend developing in the home builders. So you have to pay attention to what the Fed is telling you right now, trying to create that negative wealth effect to try to curb inflation. So if you're a stock investor, commodity investor, real estate investor, plan accordingly, trade accordingly, and as always, manage your risk. I'm John Caruso, and that's your trader tip of the day.